Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Swisscard Lite. And what this is this is a little like credit card sized wallet tool that has all kinds of nifty assorted little things on it. And let me see if I can get it so you can see the description. It's got a letter opener, scissors, stainless steel pen as in pointy pen, a ballpoint pen, tweezers, magnifying glass, some screwdrivers, an LED, a ruler, all kinds of goodies. And here we go. And let's pop it out and take a look at it. Alright. So first of all, it is just a hair over 3 inches by just a hair over 2 inches. And it is, what is that, 1/16 of an inch? It's half. It's about 1/16 of an inch. It's not super thick. And it's got a magnifying glass. Y'all can see that. It's got a pretty decent magnifying glass. It is remarkably difficult to line up a magnifying glass when you're trying to view it through a viewfinder. Alright, it's got a magnifying glass. It's got the pen they mentioned. And this is the same kind of pen from one of the cyber tools, it looks like. It's got a pen. It's got tweezers. Like so. These again look like tweezers from the regular line of knives. It's got a letter opener, kind of a cool little blade. Let's test it out and see if it's as sharp as the traditional Swiss Army knives. Oh yeah, it's nice and sharp. So, not bad there. And it's got scissors. It's got scissors. These are just normal Swiss Army knife scissors with a little doohickey on the end of them. And what else? Oh, the pen. There's the little pen right there, hiding out beside the other kind of pen. There's a little straight pen. Like so. A surprisingly handy little thing to have. And the light. The light's on the end. So we slide it like so, and you get some light. Not what I would call a miraculous amount of light, but not too bad. And it's kind of neat that it's transparent. Well, translucent maybe? You can kind of see through it. You can see the moving bits inside. It's kind of a cool little thing. And you got a ruler on the back. You can kind of faintly see it marked off there. So it gives you a straight edge. And you also get metric on this side. Kind of a cool little thing. It's actually small enough and light enough that you might even be able to carry it in your wallet. It's probably as thick as maybe 3 or 4 credit cards. So it's not terrible size-wise. And also, if for some reason you wanted to put it in your Altoids 10 whatever kit, you can do that as well. It fits in there nicely. Anyway. Kind of a cool little thing. Oh, I almost forgot. All the screwdrivery stuff. You get a little, I don't know what you call this, a little screwdriver thing with some Phillips heads and some flathead screwdrivers. Not too bad. Kind of neat. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Have y'all tried these? Have any of y'all carried them with you in your wallets? Or purses or whatever? It's kind of neat. Anyway, I'll include a link to this in the description if you're interested. You can check it out. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.